Select H2, break 30, 75. Good luck. Dice roll 5 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here, 5 here. Jets up top. Titans at the bottom. Five times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 here, 5 here. Ed Betty up top. Tremaine Winters at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Jets didn't sort. They're at the top. Everybody else did. Good luck, guys. Here we go.
Alrighty. Here we go. Good luck. First pack. Louis Cine for the Vikings. Sam Howell, rookie. Sam Darnold, red rookie here. Chris Olave for the Saints. It's a nice looking card. It's going to be
Impang Sengvale
out of 49. $46 out of 49 on the Olave. And a Wan'Dale Robinson and a Jason Kelce. Jermaine Johnson, Derek Stingley Jr., Kyle Pitts. What we got here? David Ojabo.
It's a black 101.
That is a black 1 of 1 for the Ravens. Nice hit for the Ravens.
Impang Sengvale does it again. Man, he can't stop hitting 101s.
Very nice. Ojabo 1 of 1. What a card. Russell Wilson and Drake Jackson.
Impang, that's $100 in break credit coming your way as well.
Danny Gray. Kenny Pickett. Tua. Wan'Dale Robinson. It's a good box here. Red out of 49 for the Giants. Nice card. Red. Chad Muma and Nick Chubb. Last pack. Got a nice little receivers box here so far. George Karlaftis. Jalen Hurts. Desmond Ridder. Christian McCaffrey. Disco here. Not numbered. Nice card. Followed by Desmond Ridder and a Tyreek Hill. Quick little recap. Got the McCaffrey Disco. Wan'Dale Robinson red disco out of 49. David Ojabo 1 of 1 black disco for the Ravens. And the Chris Olave red disco out of 49 as well. Good box.